Hello and Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm here with a new topic. Previous video was all about matrices. Now we are going to study about types of matrices. Following are all the types of matrices. Later on in this video, we will discuss all of these types in detail. Row matrix. Row matrix is a type of matrix in which we have only one row. So this matrix is also called row vector or row matrix. So let's see an example of a row matrix. Here in this example, you can see that there is only one row and four columns. So the order of this matrix is 1 by 4. Column matrix. Column matrix is a matrix which has only one column, no matter how many rows are there in that specific matrix. This matrix is also called a column vector. So let's see an example of column matrix. In this example, there is a matrix having one column and there are three rows. So the order of this matrix is 3 by 1. Rectangular matrix. Rectangular matrix is a type of matrix in which the number of rows is not equal to the number of columns. So let's see an example of this matrix. Here in this example, we have 3 rows and 2 columns. So the number of rows is not equal to the number of columns. That's why this is called rectangular matrix. Square matrix. Square matrix is a type of matrix in which number of rows is equal to number of columns. So let's see an example of the square matrix. In this example, you can see that there are 3 rows and 3 columns. So the number of rows is equal to number of columns. So order of this matrix is 3 by 3. That's why this is called square matrix. Diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix is a type of matrix in which every element except the principal diagonal elements is 0. So what is principal diagonal? Principal diagonal is the diagonal in a square matrix which runs from upper left to lower right. So let's see an example of the diagonal matrix. Here in this matrix, you can see that A11, A22, A33, A44, A5. These are all the entries of the principal diagonal. Principal diagonal is also called leading diagonal or main diagonal of a matrix. And remaining all entries are 0. So this is our diagonal matrix. Scalar matrix. Scalar matrix is a type of diagonal matrix. But what is difference between scalar matrix and diagonal matrix? In scalar matrix, all the entries that are in principal diagonal or main diagonal must be same, whereas in diagonal matrix there is no such condition that all the entries must be same. So in diagonal matrix, there is only one condition, that there must be some non-zero elements in the main or principal diagonal. Whereas in scalar matrix, there is a condition that all the elements in the main or principal diagonal must be same. So let's see an example. Here we have two matrices, A matrix and B matrix. Again, you can see in these two examples that the main diagonal of both the matrices are same. Unit matrix. A unit matrix is a scalar matrix in which the entries in the main diagonal must be 1. So what is the difference between the unit matrix and scalar matrix? In scalar matrix, all the entries of the main diagonal must be same, whereas in unit matrix, all the entries of the main diagonal must be 1. So this is the basic difference between scalar matrix and unit matrix. That is why unit matrix is called, it's a type of a scalar matrix. Every unit matrix is a scalar matrix, but every scalar matrix is not a unit matrix. So let's see an example. Here in this example, you can see we have a matrix of order 3 by 3. In main diagonal, all the entries are same and all the entries are 1. So this is also a scalar matrix and unit matrix. Unit matrix is also represented by I. Null matrix. Null matrix is a matrix whose elements is 0, whose all entries are 0. Now, there is no such condition that a matrix must be square. It may be square or rectangular. As we have studied earlier about diagonal, scalar, and unit matrix, so there is a strict condition on them that these matrices must be the square matrices. Whereas in case of null matrix, there is no such condition. Only all the entries of the matrix is 0. So null matrices are represented by O. So let's see an example. Here in this example, you can see that all the entries of the matrices are 0. So this is the null matrix.